Making progress, a step-by-step guide to understanding this essential phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common and very useful phrase in English, make progress. Understanding this phrase is key to both speaking and comprehending English effectively. So, let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clear things up. Make progress refers to the process of moving forward or improving in some area. It's often used to talk about personal development, learning, projects, or any situation where gradual improvement or advancement is observed. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be applied to various contexts, from academic and professional to personal growth. 1. Education and learning. She is making progress in her English classes. 2. Projects and work. We are making progress on the new marketing campaign. 3. Personal development. He's making progress in his journey towards healthier habits. In each of these examples, the phrase indicates a positive change or advancement in some area. The phrase can be modified to suit different contexts. 1. Rapid progress. They are making rapid progress in their research. 2. Little progress. Unfortunately, we've made little progress in resolving the issue. 3. Steady progress. She's making steady progress in her recovery from surgery. These variations help specify the speed or degree of progress being made. To better understand, make progress, think of it as a journey on a path. Every step forward on this path represents a small improvement or advancement towards a goal. It's a gradual process, often requiring patience and persistence. Synonyms include advance, improve, develop, move forward. These synonyms can be used interchangeably depending on the context. And that's it. You now have a better understanding of what it means to make progress. Remember, progress is all about moving forward, step by step, towards a goal or improvement. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to helping you make progress in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.